All right, so Canvas has come out with a new rich content editor, and you might be asking, why in the world would I want to switch to anything new? Well, let me tell you why you might want to consider testing this out in your sandbox. A lot of the complaints that we've gotten about the rich content editor is the inability to undo and redo something if you make a mistake. And so they've made some improvements to the rich content editor. So I have it here on my screen. I've enabled it, and I will show you how to do so if you want to try it out. Within the new rich content editor, you still have a lot of access to all the tools that you used previously. They're just in a different spot. But the best part is there's the edit, undo, redo portion. I can view in a full screen. I can go into the HTML editor. From insert, I can insert images, media, documents, so I can upload a document. I don't have to upload it to Canvas first and then upload it, or even go through my Google Drive. If I do not wish to, I can insert tables, equations, I can embed things still. I have some more options with formatting. Also, you'll notice that you have a lot more fonts to access that are still work accessibility wise for students, but give you some options so you're not just using one particular font. From tools, you can also have a word count option. So this might be beneficial for your students if they're doing discussion boards, posts, or typing anything in a rich content editor that they're submitting to you if you want to tell them a specific word count. And then right here is apps. And now this is all the apps that you have available to you. In other words, it's those Google LTI external tools. So if I select view all, I can see any of the LTIs that the district has installed, as well if you have installed any on your course in particular, they will show up there. Down here, it's still very similar. I can embed a link. I have another place to upload images, media, or files. Here you will see Adobe Spark, which we will talk about in a video that will also be linked in this newsletter. You can also access all of your apps straight from there rather than that upper toolbar. Lots of different options in here, and still down here, if you're in an assignment, it looks exactly the same. So I encourage you to enable this in your sandbox so you can test it out and get access to the updated features. Now, to enable this, you will go into the settings of your course and select feature options. You'll see RCE, so Rich Content Editor Enhancements. You'll want to turn that on like I have, and also select Rich Content Editor Autosave. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you take a chance to add this to your sandbox and start exploring the new Rich Content Editor.